I'm making up my 647 Boxy jacket sewing pattern. Check out angelakane.com for the download. So this is my 1 metre of Harris Tweed that I shall attempt to squeeze my Chanel-style Boxy jacket out of. I'm utilising short lengths of linings and interfacings. I had hoped I would find enough buttons in my button box, but I may have to reorder some extras. I will be making shoulder pads. This is a great way to use up spare fabric and lining. Taping up this pattern took me less than 15 minutes, but cutting out always takes longer. So to the next stage. I am 5'3" and I need to reduce my back waist length. Visit my design notebook page for details. I have marked my slash lines. They need to be at the same level across the bodice. Measure up from the waist. Try and avoid construction marks. Check carefully that your line is at right angles to the grain. Make a note of your adjustment on the pattern. Slash across the lower line, move the pattern up and tape. Alter the lining in the same way. Do the same for shortening sleeves. In this case, I'm reducing the already shorter length sleeve as I am squeezing this jacket onto my single metre of fabric. So my pattern just about fits. Here is the edge of my fabric and here is the fold. I am absolutely on the limit. I have even resorted to cutting off hems. I can add false hems at construction time. Be resourceful. Use what you have for sustainable fashion. Follow my progress on designing and making up my sewing patterns at angelakane.com/design-notebook. If you have a love of creating your own wardrobe, subscribe to this channel. I do my best to make it easy. Thank you for watching.